In today's video, I'm going to teach you turn ClickUp into a smart system using formula fields. Let's jump right in. Open ClickUp and head to your main dashboard. Think of this as your command center, where all your projects and tasks live. If your left sidebar isn't visible, click the sidebar icon to open it, or use the Ctrl+// shortcut if that's faster for you. From the home toolbar, you'll see areas like Inbox, Assigned Comments, My Tasks, and your spaces. Click into the space where you want to work. Next, add a new view. Hover over the plus button near View and choose Table. A table gives you a clean, structured grid that makes formulas easy to see, edit, and compare across tasks. In this table, make sure you have at least a start date and a due date column. These are perfect for demos and for common calculations. If you don't see them, click the plus icon to add fields. You can search for the field you need or scroll through the Create Field panel on the right to find it. This is also a good place to add any other supporting columns you might want to reference later, like numeric estimates or costs. Now let's add the formula column. On the far right, click to add a new column, then search for formula and select it. Give your formula field a clear, memorable name so it's easy to recognize in your table, and so teammates instantly know what they're looking at. Click Create, and you'll see the new formula column appear. Time to build the formula. In the formula editor, click the first select field and choose what you want to reference. Let's pick Start Date. Then choose an operation using the plus, minus, multiply, or divide icons. For a simple duration example, select minus. If ClickUp warns that the formula is invalid, don't worry. That usually means it's incomplete. Click the second select field and choose due date to finish the expression. Now click Calculate to apply it. The column will update automatically for every task in the table. You can explore variations too. Subtracting. Start date from due date helps illustrate durations. Multiplying or dividing works well with number fields like estimates or costs, letting you quickly derive totals or rates. Whatever you build, keep your field names concise and descriptive so the logic is obvious at a glance. And that's it. You've successfully used ClickUp Formula custom fields to turn your workspace into a smarter, more informative system. If this walkthrough helped you, stick around for more tips that boost your productivity and help you use ClickUp like a pro.